Okay, to center this on the chuck, we're going to need a pin tool. And this is a little different than centering most pots because we're going to want to center the edge of it and the top. So I'm going to start by holding my pin in a single spot. And see how I'm not moving with the pot, I'm moving in my own orbit. I'm going to slowly move in the pin until it touches the pot, like that. Okay, now you can see I've created a line around the pot here, which means that this side is sitting further out than the other side. So I'm simply going to grab the two sides on the points and move my pot up, like so. I'm going to check it again. Now, as you can see, this line is now bigger. It goes from over here to all the way over here. This means it's getting more on center. I'm going to repeat the same process, find my 2 points, and simply move the pot up slightly. Now we're going to check it again. Now you can see I'm creating a ring almost all the way around the edge of the bottleneck vase. Okay, so now we're ready to start trimming this base. We can double check, see if we're on the top surface by simply putting the needle down like that, and you can see it's pretty much forming a circle all the way around. Now we're ready to move on to trimming a foot on the base of this bottlenecked vase, and we'll be doing that next.